Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing fine, safe, secure at your place. So in today's video, I'm going to share this makeup look. So without any delay, let's get into the video. By the way, before moving to the video, let me tell you that this is again a self-designed suit. So you can see it's overall a net, and I have added pad here so that to give it a more glacious look. Let me show it to you from front. Moisturizing my face, I'm using this coconut oil. बिकॉज़ मैंने ऑयल लगाया है, सो मैं यहाँ पे प्राइमर स्किप कर रही हूँ, आप चाहो तो लगा सकते हो। तो मैं नेक्स्ट स्टेप पे जा रही हूँ, दैट इज़ फाउंडेशन। एंड फॉर फाउंडेशन आई एम यूजिंग दिस मेबलिन मैट मूस न्यूड फाउंडेशन। सो गाइस, ये जो फाउंडेशन है कुछ ये ऐसा दिखता है, ये मैट सा है। इफ़ यू वांट तो मैं इस पर एक सेपरेट रिव्यू बना दूँगी। आई हैव बीन यूजिंग दिस सिंस 2017 2018, हाँ 2018। सो मैं डायरेक्टली इसको ऐसे ब्रश पे ले रही हूँ और मैं इसको डायरेक्टली लगा रही हूँ। ये बहुत ही मैट फिनिशिंग देता है बिकॉज मैंने ऑयलिंग से बेस करा है, ऑयल लगाया है, मैंने मॉइस्चराइज़र नहीं लगाया। दैट्स वाई मैंने ये वाला फाउंडेशन लिया है। ओके, इसकी कवरेज बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी है। इफ़ यू वांट तो मैं इस पर एक सेपरेट रिव्यू वीडियो बना दूँगी। थोड़ा सा ही लेके और इस पर इतना अच्छा कवरेज देता है ना, ट्रस्ट मी। Maybelline foundations are just amazing. Next is concealing your eye and your dark areas. So here I'm using this Maybelline concealer. Next, to set my base, I'm using Maybelline Compact. For eyeshadow, I'm using this Color Board Beauty Glazed Pure Eyeshadow Palette, and I'll be using the shade from this. For base, for my eye base, I'm using this Huda Beauty eyeshadow nude palette. For that, I'm using uh, this light shade, and after that, this. So I'm done with creating my base with a light color. Now next I'll be doing is taking this palette and you know darker shade from this lighter shade. So for that I'll be taking this, and I'll just deposit here over the crease. See, over the crease, look at the difference. So I'm done doing with all these shades. Now what I'll do is in the mid I'll deposit this shimmery shade with the help of my finger just in the eyelid here in mid. So now I'll take this shade and apply here. Now guys, I've done with applying these both the shades. Now what I'll do is I'll take concealer over the hand and I'll take a brush, a flat brush, to apply here because I wanted to apply a purple eyeshadow. If you have a purple eyeliner, you can go ahead with that, but I do not have, so I'll just create my one. So taking this here and I'll just add it. Now because I have applied this, what I'll do is I'll take a eyeliner and just apply here. For eyebrow filling, I'm using this Swiss Beauty eyebrow pencil. For kajal, I'm using this Lakme 9 to 5 kajal. For blush, I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me blush. To apply, to highlight my eye, so I'll be using this silver shade. To highlight my brow bone, I'll be using this palette. To highlight my cheekbone, I'll be using this LA color. So chicken blush highlight palette. For lipstick, I'm using this purple mini lipstick. Very pretty pink shade. I don't know why it's showing orange and all. On top of this, I'll be using this Oriflame lip gloss. I'm feeling like to do a glossy lip. I'm going to wear this earring. So guys, I'm done with this look. I might open my hair. Or let's see. So I hope guys you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you do, then you know what you have to do is like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye guys, take care, love you all.